Okay, hello guys, everyone. It's, in this video is different because today I I'm going to make a vlog. So today I want to clean up my computer. Look at this. It's very dirty. There's so many dust everywhere and spider net. So now in today I want to clean up all my computer, and I have run into a trouble about my fan when I turn on my computer. Yeah, my fan sound not good. They're broken. Maybe my fan broken. So I will put off from my computer, and yeah, I will uh, plug off. I will take my VGA and clean, and I want to change the thermal paste if I have more time, because yeah, today is free day and I just have maybe around 1 hour to clean up all my computer, because I have to pray. Okay, I have to put my computer first to outside so I can clean up. Okay, all my stuff was ready. I have a coffee. The first thing I need a coffee. I have a what the name is, brush. Yeah, I don't know. I will look at it. I will look it out on dictionary. So I have a thermal paste. I have a vacuum cleaner, and I have a PC. But I will put my PC on outside and put my vacuum cleaner on my motorcycle. So I can turn on the vacuum. Okay. Okay, I have put my computer outside, and I have cleaned my monitor, but I have run into trouble about my vacuum. My vacuum can turn on easily. I don't know why. Sometimes it's turn on, but sometimes don't working, not working. So yeah, I don't know what happened with it. But I will try. I will keep on trying. Okay. So okay guys. Unfortunately, it's very broken. So I have to fix it, and I have done fix it. Just wait for the gloom. The gloom is hard. After that, we keep going to clean up my computer. Finally, I did it. It's working now, but it's 11 right now, and I have a little time. I don't have more time. Yeah, it's okay. Just slowly but sure. Okay, ongoing on process to clean up my computer. So yeah, it's very dirt. I want to put off this fan. Okay, just this I will clean up, and I want to repaste thermal paste this figure. Very dirt. Okay. try to okay, finally it's maybe 3 hours I clean up my setup, and look at this, very clean. Look at this, very clean. But I just put off my fan like for this, so I need to change later, but for just now I think it's enough to my setup now. Okay, I just plug in my monitor. Second is good, my main monitor. Okay, it's good, and I just need plug in my computer. Okay, bismillah. Just need more adjustment, and bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, nothing happened. I just need to turn on the power supply. Okay, bismillah. Okay, my keyboard turn on. Okay, left, turn on my computer. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, my CPU turn on. Wow, the air so fresh. Okay, oh my god, I just plug in everything my VGA, but it's working. Yeah, I have replaced the thermal pass, and it's okay. I did it. Okay, finally I have done all my cleanup. This activity is take up a lot of time, maybe around 4 hours. I start at 10 in the morning, and just at 2 p.m. I just finish it. But I have prepared all these things very yeah, I need to prepare everything and get sleep, wake up, pray, and get work again. Okay, thanks guys. I did it. Okay, see you in the next one.